What do you see, Kaya? What's going on? It's getting ready to storm. Birds can always tell you before. Sometimes even the clouds do, but it's coming out of the east, southeast, up from the Gulf. Usually we get a lot of water with that, which we've had a lot of water, haven't we, kiddo? So this is, we're going to start with the upper portion of the patio. Everything's doing really good. This blackberry, I don't think it's getting enough sunlight where it's at. It's in a container to produce fruit, but there's a lot of things that are fruiting. Tomatoes do. Everything else looks good. Got some figs. Got a fig here, here, and there's another one back here. Right there. So let's give you guys the weekly update. Today is June 4th, 2025. Welcome to Jekyll at Home. What do you see? Little gardening buddy. So I've got some volunteer stuff. This is actually nasturtium nasturtium, see if we can say that right, that I've planted. It's been a long day, been a long week. We also have Swiss chard in here and there. And this little guy over here wasn't planted. However, in the beginning of the year, Kaya did get into a wildflower bag and completely put it around this area. So I'm thinking that these little volunteers are from her doing, even though it's accidental. The catmint is blooming. It's really pretty. See if we can, there we go. Show you the little blooms. The bees love it. This is the kale, red Russian kale. Got peppers in here now, I told you I would. This butterfly bush is getting ready to really come together. Got some good blooms right there. I have a purpose for this, I promise. But the mixed greens there, I've got still quite a good bit of edible lettuce. It hasn't bolted yet. I need to go ahead and finish that up. I've been making quite a bit of salad. And look at the broccoli. Wow, the broccoli is kicking. Got a bunch of broccoli. Some is moving faster than the others, but lots of healthy broccoli. Lilies look really good too. Kitchen herb container number 1. Coriander's starting to go to flower, which I don't want just yet. So that's one of the reasons I've got scissors in my hand. Not the main reason. Look at how pretty this butterfly bush is. The one thing that concerns me is that normally I've seen the hummingbird by this point in the year, and I haven't seen them this year. So I hope they're okay. I hope they made the journey back from the peninsula. So with this, I'm just gonna top it real quick, and it comes back. It'll grow all summer if you let it. Just plucking the flowers off is all I'm doing. Everything else is good. Just want to pull those flowers, or else they will go to seed very quickly, and we won't get the flavor that we have. It'll turn itself basically into coriander and not cilantro anymore. Very fragrant though. I wish you guys could smell what I smell. Wow, what a difference a week makes. I've picked probably 2.5, maybe 3 dozen red raspberries off. I've got tomatoes starting to happen. So the fruit is doing pretty well. I've picked strawberries pretty much non-stop since late April. Some of them kind of get the rot on them. Gosh, we've had so much rain. And that I end up leaving for Kaya. She loves strawberries and it doesn't hurt her. Kale keeps growing. The more we cut it, it'll still grow. It's fairly hardy. I'm to the point with the collards though where I really need to pay attention or they're going to get eaten alive. And you don't want that. You don't want that at all. And when they start to yellow on the outside of the leaves like that. This cabbage is ready to pick and it is super hard. Looks really, really good. So that's got to get picked this weekend. The beans are doing very well. Hey baby, what you doing? Beans are doing very well. And the melons are a little slow start, but I've never grown them before. So I didn't know exactly what to expect. The blueberries here are starting to ripen up. And here's the pollinators. Hey buddy. Sea holly. And then I think I can sneak through here. Just be real gentle about it. I've got a blueberry that's just about ready to pick. So we will yield a small crop this year, which is more than I thought we would. Getting some height to this mammoth sunflower. And we sneak back over. Just kind of sidestep through this area. I did water today. I just finished with that. There is the first of what I think is going to be many, many like last year, because you can see little button flower buds starting to come in all along each leaf stem, which is really, really good. And then here, the rosemary bush is getting big. So I'm pretty excited about that too. And look at this onion. Holy smokes. Some of this is probably going to be ready, if not now, soon. I've got a lot of it that's going to be getting ready to pick. And look at that broccoli. That's definitely ready. So the broccoli's doing amazingly well. The chaotic kitchen herb side of the garden, also doing well. Got lemon, basil, red basil, licorice basil, sweet basil, Italian flat basil, some random tomato plants that have come up in this. And the real reason for the scissors, the first cucumber. And what we thought we were getting was zucchini. However, that, my friends, if we can see it, those are pumpkins. And you can really tell it from that 100% jack-o'-lantern. What you think? We ready to get it? So I'm using scissors on this and I'll do it off camera. I'm just going to show you where I'm making the cut. Making the cut right here. Let's see if we can, there we go. We want to make it close and we don't want to twist it because I don't want to invite any kind of fungus or any of that. So you want to get these things off when they're just ripe and no longer, because if you do it later than when it's just ripe, they'll stop producing. You don't want that either. So let's get this off of here. And voila. Cucumber. Ta-da! All the other melons are doing really, really well. Still nothing out of the container potato buckets. Although I see a little piece of potato right there. So I'm going to give it time. It's kind of an experiment. They should grow. There's plenty of holes, plenty of aeration underneath and down the sides along the bottom there. So the drainage is good. Kaya's checking everything out, making sure I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Did I pass? Yeah? Sweetie. down to the soggy bottom part of the garden. I don't have anything ready yet, and it's still still swampy. I still can't get the tractor back here to cut. But what I wanted to show you is zucchini, and I'm starting to get squash. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Let's hope that they continue and prosper. I need to get in here and weed. I still have not done that. So I promise that's on the agenda very, very soon. Hopefully in the next couple of days. It's just a lot. 60, 70 hours a week with Jekyll Baits. And now I'm getting ready to start a second business with Jekyll and Card, TCG and sports cards online. I just bought the domain and bought the website today, as a matter of fact, but I've been photographing cards for quite some time. More tomatoes. And if you're wondering what a legit website costs to start up without the business license, I got to go get that too. It's about $570. One-time fee, and then you have to renew both the website and the domain names to retain ownership. And seeing as how I came in and bought all of the jekyllcard.com, .au, .shop, .net, everything that goes along with Jekyll and Card, because I don't want anybody claiming it after me or hijacking the site. You got to do it right. Look at that. Awesome sauce. Last in the show and tell, but certainly not least, starting to get some little beanies in there too. You see them? There's, let's see. There's a bean right here. There's actually several. So they're starting to grow, guys. Everything's doing really well, and I'm blessed to be able to nurture it and help it along. That's all the news that's fit to print. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, whatever time of the day it is where you're watching me from. Those will be ready in not that long of a time from now, probably a couple more days, if that, maybe a day, and I'll have a few more strawberries. Perfect. God is good. Y'all take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers and happy gardening from Jekyll at Home. It's cucumber. What do you think? Do you like it? Come on, let's go wash it off. No, you can't eat that. You cannot. Good girl. Tell him goodbye. Woof.